Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26th November every year to commemorate the formal adoption of the Constitution by the Constituent Assembly in 1949. It came into force on 26th January 1950. This day strives to promote constitutional values amongst citizens.
This day is set apart to express our gratitude towards the makers of our Constitution and to reiterate our commitment to build the India of their dreams.
The preamble of the Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic and assures its citizens equality, liberty and justice in their social, economic and political life and endeavors to promote fraternity. It also aims to create awareness of fundamental duties enshrined in the Constitution.
Fundamental rights safeguard the personal interests of every Indian citizen. They are personal human rights for every citizen, irrespective of caste, creed, place of birth, religion, or gender. These rights are very essential to develop one's individuality. The Constitution guarantees six fundamental rights: right to freedom, right to religion, right to equality, right to constitutional remedies, educational and cultural rights, and right against exploitation. The Supreme Court is the custodian of these fundamental rights.
Rights and duties are like two sides of the coin. Every citizen, along with enjoying the fundamental rights, has the responsibility to follow their fundamental duties, which remind citizens of their duties towards their society, fellow citizens, and the nation. They inspire and promote a sense of discipline and allegiance to observe basic norms of democratic conduct and behavior.
It's time to reaffirm our faith in the Constitution and ensure our commitment to make our nation a better place to live. Despite a vast diversity of myriad languages and dialects, socio-cultural practices, our Constitution ensures that everybody in India has a space to grow. Thank you.